how you can log out of your Facebook in other devices. Now before I start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now let us start. First, open up your Facebook. Now after you've opened your Facebook, go to your menu and scroll down. Now scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and right there you will see the option called settings. Go to your settings. Now under your settings you will have to go to your security section. Go to your password and security, but before that go to your account center. Now under there scroll down till you find password and security. Now right there you will be able to see where you are logged in. Just tap on it to see where you are logged in. Now to log out of those devices, what you'll need to do is just click on the device and just log out. As you can see right here, it says that I can select devices that I want to log out from. Now just tap on logout, tap on the devices that you want to log out from, and just tap on logout, and voila, you will be logged out of your accounts in those devices. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you log out of your Facebook account from different devices. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye, take care.